Here is part 2. We're going to continue on with our notes on slide 6. This one has two sets of parentheses, so we need to distribute both of these. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times n is just 5n. Then this one we're multiplying as well. However, don't forget this negative is like a negative 2. So negative 2 times n is just negative 2n. But now negative 2 times negative 2 makes a positive 4. So combining our like terms, start with our letters. 5n minus 2n gives us 3n. And then 30 plus 4 is just 34. So 3n plus 34. Here's another tricky one because we do have parentheses. We really need to distribute this negative 1. Negative 1 times g is negative 1g. Negative 1 times negative 4 makes a positive 4. That 8g is out front. So combine our like terms. 8g minus 1g is 7g. So we have 7g plus 4. Distributing negative 4 times a is just negative 4a. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. And then we have plus a over here. Again, this is really just a 1a. So negative 4a plus 1a is negative 3a. And then minus 4, because we can't combine that with anything. Last two like this. Again, distribute both sets of parentheses. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12u. Negative 4 times negative 1 makes a positive 4. Same thing over here. 7 times 3 is a positive 21. And 7 times negative 2u is negative 14u. So combining our like terms, negative 12u, negative 14u, they're all negatives. So add them up, that's really a negative 26u. And then 4 plus 21 is 25. This last one like this one's tricky because we haven't done any with fractions yet. If we're distributing this or multiplying just like we've been doing, this is really 4/5 times 10 if we're just multiplying the numbers. 10 is really 10 over 1. So multiplying across the top, 4 times 10 is 40. 5 times 1 is just 5. So 40 divided by 5 is 8. And then still multiplying here, w times w is w to the power of 2, or squared. So all I really did is multiply the top, 4 times 10 is 40, and divide by the bottom, 5. 40 divided by 5 gave us 8. Then the second part, we have 4/5 times negative 5. If you want to do this the same way, 4/5 times negative 5, multiply the top, and you're going to divide by the bottom. 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. This is just 5 still. Negative 20 divided by 5 is negative 4. So that is our answer. However, don't forget that w, negative 4w. There will be a few on your homework where you do have to multiply a fraction by that number. Same thing if you, for example, had 2/3 times x plus 6. 2/3 times x would just be 2/3 x. 2/3 times 6, multiply the top. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So that would be your answer for that one. You solve it the same way. Alright, our last problem. Shoeboxes. A department store selling its plastic shoeboxes for $1.50 off the regular price of a shoebox. You buy 4 shoeboxes. Write an equation. Okay, they're telling us what to do. That gives the total cost T as a function of the regular cost R of the shoebox. So first, I'm not even going to read the rest of it because it tells us to first just write an equation with T and R. So we know we're going to buy 4 shoeboxes. So we're buying 4 shoeboxes. How much does each shoebox cost? Well, we know it's $1.50 off the regular price, and we know the regular price is the letter R. So 4 multiplied by $1.50 off the regular price would be the regular price minus 1.50. That has to give us our total cost, or T. So if we distribute this, 4 times R is 4R. 4 times negative 150, well, 4 times 1 would give us 4. 4 times 50 cents, or half of 4, would give us 2. So 4 plus 2 should give us 6. If you want multiplied in your calculator, 4 times 1.5 would give us 6, and it's a negative here. So there's our equation. But now it tells us to actually find the total cost, so we need to figure out what T is. If the boxes regularly cost, so R is $3.59. So we have 4 times 359 minus 6 equals T. And following our order of operations, we're going to multiply first. 4 times 3.59 in my calculator gives me 14.36. So 14 minus 6 is going to give me 8, so it's $8.36 for the shoe boxes. Not the shoes, just the boxes, which seems a little ridiculous to me because it's just cardboard. But that's it. So you do have a homework assignment. Please make sure to show your work and then correct your own homework.